All last fishing trip, the electric start would not work. It worked in the morning while it was sitting here in the garage. When I got to the water, it would not work all day, so I had to use the pull cord. That's why I bought, by the way, the Mercury 99, because it's the only 9.9 horsepower at the time when I bought it that had electric start and the pull cord. But it was not, electric start was not working, and my depth finder would turn on and then automatically turn off, which makes me think that the battery is either going bad or it could be a connection issue. So we're going to check both things right now. As you can see on the positive terminal, there is quite a bit of corrosion going on there. So that, that's an issue. That's never good. That can cause issues. I can't tell you how many times I've bought replacement electronics when that was the issue, just a connection. And sometimes these wires inside where you do your splicing, they can get rusted or corroded and you can't see it, and you have a connection problem but you can't even see it. So always check your connections before you start to purchase new wires or new products. So I'm going to clean this up, see what happens. All right, so terminals have been cleaned and I've got it on charge. Going to go ahead and charge it up. We've had a lot of hot weather recently, so I'm thinking that what has happened with this battery just kind of sitting underneath the boat shed back there in this heat, it probably just lost its charge. And so we're going to charge it up, and that should solve our problem. So if you have any electrical issues, check your battery, make sure it's charged, make sure your terminals are clean, and if it will not hold a charge, then you know, time for a new battery. It's running now. Okay.